In this tutorial, you learn how image presets help you standardize and optimize the appearance of X-ray images in the diagnostic canvas. With this feature, each user can save their preferred brightness, contrast, and gamma settings, so every X-ray opens exactly the way they want, without repeated manual adjustments. Image presets allow you to define a custom default image setting for X-ray images. These defaults apply automatically whenever you open an X-ray in Canvas. This works for both DS and 3RD Party X-ray devices, ensuring consistent image quality across your workflow. This saves time and gives you a familiar, optimized view right from the start. To create your preset, open the canvas and add any X-ray image. Click the adjustment icon in the toolbar. Modify brightness, contrast, and gamma until the image meets your diagnostic preference. Select Save as Default at the bottom of the adjustment panel. Your personal default is now stored and will be applied every time you load that type of X-ray. DS Core saves a separate preset for each X-ray modality, such as 2D panoramic, 2D intraoral, and CBCT panoramic and its 2D slice views. Each image type remembers its own combination of brightness, contrast, and gamma. This means you can create high-contrast presets for IO images and softer presets for panoramic or CBCT data, all applied automatically when opening that specific format. If your preferences change, simply open an X-ray, adjust the values, and save again. The preset updates instantly for that image type. You can revise these defaults as often as needed, ensuring your image presentation evolves with your clinical style. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.